Ever wondered what AI really is? It's a term that's been buzzing through the world of technology like a swarm of high-tech bees. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a fascinating branch of computer science that is all about creating intelligent systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. Imagine a system that can learn like a child, reason like a philosopher, solve problems like a scientist, perceive the world around it like an artist, and understand language like a linguist. That's what AI scientists are aiming for. It's about creating an intricate web of algorithms and data processing mechanisms that can mimic the complex intelligence of the human mind. So, when you hear the term AI, think about a machine that can think, learn, and understand. A machine that can adapt and grow. A machine that, in some ways, is just like us. In other words, AI is all about creating machines that think and learn like us, humans. Now you might be thinking, how does AI work? Well, let's delve into that. Artificial intelligence operates through a blend of extensive data and rapid iterative processing. Just like a detective piecing together clues from a crime scene, AI algorithms sift through these vast datasets, learning from the patterns and features they discover. This learning process enables the system to make predictions or decisions, often in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Imagine a weather forecast, for instance. An AI system can analyze patterns in historical and real-time data such as temperature, humidity, and wind speed, to predict whether it's going to rain tomorrow, or if we'll have a sunny day. That's the power of AI. It's all about pattern recognition and decision-making, powered by data and algorithms. But let's take a step back and look at the broader picture. AI can be classified into two types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, like recommending songs on your favorite music app or helping you find the fastest route to your destination on a map. It's highly specialized and incredibly good at what it does. On the other hand, general AI can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. It's the kind of AI you see in science fiction movies, the ones that can understand, learn, adapt, and operate on their own. While we're still some way off from creating true general AI, the possibilities it holds for the future are nothing short of exciting. But remember, AI isn't just about robots or sentient machines, it's about creating systems that can understand, learn, predict, and operate autonomously. It's about taking the vast sea of data that we generate every day, and transforming it into valuable insights that can help us make better decisions and lead more efficient lives. So AI is not just about robots, it's about algorithms that can understand, learn, predict, and operate autonomously. Wondering why AI is so important? Well, let's dive right into it. Artificial intelligence opens a world of possibilities by analyzing deeper data, achieving remarkable accuracy, and offering unprecedented personalization. Imagine a healthcare system that can predict potential health issues even before the symptoms appear, or a classroom where each student gets a personalized learning path, or a transportation system that reduces traffic congestion and accidents. That's the power of AI, and the best part is we are just scratching the surface. AI is like a fine wine, it gets better with time. The more data it consumes, the more refined it becomes, offering insights and solutions that were previously unimaginable. It's not just about efficiency, but also about effectiveness. It's about making our lives better, our societies safer, and our planet healthier. So, the next time you hear about AI, remember this. AI is transforming the world around us, making our lives easier and more efficient. To sum up, what we've learned about AI, artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to simulate human intelligence in machines. These machines are programmed to think like a human and mimic their actions. The idea is to increase efficiency and speed up tasks that would otherwise take longer to complete. We've also explored the different types of AI, from narrow AI that excels in performing a single task, like voice commands, to general AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge in a wide range of tasks. And of course, we can't forget about the significant impact of AI. It's transforming industries from healthcare and education to entertainment and transportation, revolutionizing our daily lives and the way we work. It's an exciting field with endless possibilities. So don't stop here. Continue to learn, explore, and understand the incredible world of AI. Remember, AI is not about the future, it's about the present, and it's shaping our world in ways we can't even imagine.